Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy as always. So today's video, we are in my kitchen, my dad's kitchen, and today I wanted to do like a different video, which is a bake with me. And today I'm using the Mrs. Jones pumpkin bread mix. It's supposed to look like that. And I figured that we could do it together, and I have never done these kind of videos on my channel before, so this one will be my first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and first tie my hair because I don't like baking with my hair down. It's just a no-no. So for the ingredients for this pumpkin mix, it says I need 3 large eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, and 8 tablespoons of butter that's melted. So I do have the butter already. This one is my sister's, and it's from Trader Joe's. Pretty sure she wouldn't mind me using that. I have the milk. I actually don't drink regular milk because I'm lactose intolerant, so I have almond milk, so we're gonna substitute it using this one. It's unsweetened and it has vanilla. I have some pumpkin puree, the pumpkin pie spice, just to elevate it a little bit more. And then I need the 3 eggs and chocolate chips. Okay, so I have the 3 eggs. And then this one is also from my sister's. It's the Good and Gathered milk chocolate chips. So we're gonna use that just a little bit, not too much. Then it says to preheat the oven at 350. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, so first things first, I will be greasing this loaf pan on the bottom with butter. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm just going to take this stick of butter and just pretty much butter it like that. It's really easy to do it this way. And it's just only in the bottom. Okay, so now that I'm done using the butter, I will be melting it in this container, because it did say melted. So we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to set this one to the side. Like a minute. So this is the pouch that I came with. I'm just going to have to use scissors to get it. So there you go. All the butter is melted. So we're going to put the cake mix in. Actually, I think I'm going to do liquids first and then let's see. It needs okay, that says it needs 1 So we're gonna put 1/3 of the vanilla almond milk. So not that much. Well, Oliver, what happened? What? My cat. My cat likes to go outside, so right now he's throwing a little fit that he's not out yet. Then I'm gonna put the pumpkin puree. I don't think I'm not going to use everything. We don't want to make it too liquidy, or I put like extra. I'm just gonna add just a bit of it. What, Ali? What? What happened? Oh, don't be sad. Don't be sad. You want some pumpkin? Look at I left over. Look, Ali. You like pumpkin, right? Okay, next, this is not part of the ingredients, but I'm just going to add a little bit of lechetta. It's like a sweetened condensed milk, I think. It's not carnation milk, it's sweetened. We're just gonna add a little bit of that in there. It's gonna be almost like a pumpkin pie. I'm putting a bread. Just a little bit. Okay, now the hard part would be to make sure we crack the eggs, but that none of the shells go in the batter. Okay, just one more egg. Okay, just going to wash my hands again. Now I'm gonna add a touch of pumpkin pie spice. Not too much, but just enough. And then I'm gonna mix everything together. Add a little bit of vanilla extract, just a little bit. Okay, I'm just going to use my sister's stash again, and this is from Trader Joe's. It's the bourbon vanilla bean paste. So, let's see. So 1 teaspoon is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so I'm going to do just a teaspoon. I'm having a hard time opening this one. Okay, just give me a moment. Let's see. Just gonna pour everything in. And then we're just going to mix. concerned about is that it says it's gluten-free. So hopefully it tastes good. Hopefully. I've never had gluten-free cake mix besides the one I had for the keto. I'm not too sure. So hopefully this one is good. Okay, now we have my loaf and I'm going to put everything in. Everything is well mixed. Next we're just going to do this method. That way there's no air bubbles in the batter. Just a few times. Okay, now the last step is putting in some chocolate chips. Not too much, but just kind of sprinkling it on top. But I am a chocolate lover, so maybe I'm going to put a little bit more. I do love chocolate. So no judgment. It's going to end up being like a pumpkin chocolate chip. I think that should be good. Okay, my friends, so we are going to be waiting for 55 minutes. So I will be right back and show you how it looks like after it gets off of the oven and it cools down. We'll cut it together. So I'm excited. I'll see you then. Okay, I just wanted to mention a few things. So first of all, don't mind this. This is from my cat. He was just being a little bit extra playful. But that's where that came from. And I just want to mention real quick as well for this bread mix. Look at the ingredients. It's so simple and must be really good for you. So I'm really excited that it doesn't have that much. And it says satisfaction guaranteed. So that's a little bit more comforting, knowing that just because it's gluten-free doesn't mean it's not going to taste good. So right now we're at 42 minutes left, so I'll be right back. Okay, so for the bread, it was fully baked at around 45 minutes instead of 55. So now I'm going to cut it and I'm going to share with you my first impressions of what I think of it. Most likely I'm going to put everything in the freezer. After I take a couple pieces, I will share with my loved ones. Before I do that, I'll probably put it in the freezer tomorrow. But this is going to be your first impressions. Oh, it's really hot. I think I have to let it cool down. So this is how it looks like. It looks really moist. It looks like I put pumpkin puree in it. It smells really delicious, but it's really hot, so I'm going to wait for like about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm about to take a first bite. Let's see how it tastes like. Cheers! Oh yeah, bless the Lord in these gifts in which I'm about to receive from my bounty. The grace of the Lord, amen. Okay, now get it. It's good. It's not bad. It's much better than the keto version of bakery goods. This one is good. It's not bad for gluten-free. It definitely has a healthy taste to it. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not bad. It's really fluffy. It's sweet, but not too sweet. I think I put a little bit of extra sweetness with the condensed sweetened milk and the chocolate chips as well. But it's not bad. I would definitely repurchase this one. So that is the end for today's video, my friend. I hope that you enjoyed this different video from me. I'm looking forward to doing more bake with me's because I just love baking, and I think it's really fun to share this with you. It did come as a suggestion from one of my subscribers, and I hope that you enjoyed this one. I was already looking into doing a bake with me, but it makes it even better that, you know, someone suggested it when I was already thinking of it. And so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. May God bless always, my friend. You take good care. Be safe. Give the video a like if you haven't already. It does help out my channel and this video in particular. And feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here on my channel. And if you're my returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back, and I love you. So I'm gonna go ahead and say bye now. Bye.